Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both machines and confirming permissions. Install and sign into Chrome on each device, then open Chrome Remote Desktop and accept requested permissions. Once done, pick the access mode you need: remote support for a quick session or remote access for constant connectivity, and follow the prompts to name the host device. Make sure to enable audio and clipboard if you need file transfer or sound. This gets you from 0 to a live host ready for connection. You'll now configure secure connection details and initiate the session. For persistent access, create a strong PIN, at least 6 digits, and confirm the host stays awake and signed in. For one-time help, share the temporary access code with your helper, then accept the incoming session. If a direct connection fails, switch to relay mode in settings. Also make sure firewalls or strict VPNs aren't blocking Chrome. Temporarily allow Chrome Remote Desktop through your network, if necessary, to establish a reliable link. To finish responsibly, end the session and revoke any one-time codes or change the PIN if you suspect unauthorized access. You'll also want to adjust display quality to fix lag, reduce resolution, or disable unnecessary apps on the host. If problems persist, restart the Chrome Remote Desktop service in both machines, then confirm both have adequate internet speed and matching Chrome versions. As a last resort, sign out of Google on the host, sign back in, and reinstall the host component to repair corrupted installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.